Hey there, grooming enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for all the bearded gentlemen out there. We've scoured the market and tested numerous products to bring you the ultimate list of the best beard trimmers of 2024. Whether you're looking for precise shaping or a powerful all-in-one grooming tool, we've got you covered. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 Ultimate Precision Beard and Hair Trimmer with Beard Sense Technology for an even trim. BT981040 is a high-end beard and hair trimmer that offers a variety of features for a precise and even trim. Features: Steel Precision Technology. This technology features a built-in metal comb and strong cutter that do not bend, even under pressure, for a more even and precise trim. Beard Sense Technology. This technology senses the density of your beard and automatically adjusts the power of the trimmer to ensure a consistent trim, even through the thickest beards. 30 length settings. The trimmer has 30 adjustable length settings from 0.4 mm to 10 mm. So you can choose the perfect length for your beard or hair. 100% waterproof. The trimmer is 100% waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or bath. Long battery life. The trimmer has a battery life of up to 120 minutes on a single charge. Pros: very precise and even trim, can handle even the thickest beards. Easy to use, long battery life. 100% waterproof. Cons: expensive. Some users have reported that the trimmer can be noisy overall. The Philips Norelco Series 9000 Ultimate Precision Beard and Hair Trimmer with Beard Sense Technology for an even trim. BT981040 is a high-quality beard and hair trimmer. Number 4. The Panasonic Multi-Groomer Men's Trimmer for Beard, Hair and Body. 39 trim length settings with 3 attachments. Cordless operation or GBADS. Silver is a versatile grooming tool that can be used to trim your beard, hair and body hair. It has 39 adjustable length settings, so you can choose the perfect length for your needs. The trimmer also comes with 3 attachments: a hair clipper comb, a beard trimmer comb, and a body trimmer comb. Features: 39 adjustable length settings from 0.5 mm to 20 mm. 3 attachments: hair clipper comb, beard trimmer comb, and body trimmer comb. Cordless operation, washable design, hypoallergenic stainless steel blades. Pros: versatile and can be used to trim beard, hair and body hair. Precise length settings, easy to use, washable design, hypoallergenic blades. Cons: some users have reported that the trimmer can be noisy. The trimmer head is not very wide, so it may take longer to trim large areas. Overall, the Panasonic Multi-Groomer or GBADS is a good quality grooming tool that offers a variety of features for a precise and even trim. It is especially well. Number 3. The Wall USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. Model 9818A is a versatile all-in-one grooming kit that includes everything you need to trim your beard, nose, and ear hair. It features a cordless design with a lithium-ion battery that provides up to 3 hours of runtime on a single charge. The trimmer also comes with a variety of attachments, including a T-blade trimmer, rotary ear and nose trimmer, and detail trimmer. Here are some of the key features of the Wall USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men. Cordless design with lithium-ion battery for up to 3 hours of runtime on a single charge. T-blade trimmer for trimming beards, mustaches, and sideburns. Rotary ear and nose trimmer for trimming hard-to-reach hair. Detail trimmer for precise trimming and outlining. Self-sharpening precision blades for long-lasting performance. 10 interchangeable guide combs for beard lengths from 1/16 to a half. Adjustable guide comb for beard lengths from 2 mm to 11 mm. Wet-dry use for convenience. Travel lock for safe travel. Overall, the Wall USA Stainless Steel Lithium-Ion Cordless Beard Trimmer for Men is a well-designed and versatile grooming kit that is perfect for men who want to keep their beards and facial hair looking their best. Number 2. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer MG777049 is a 25-piece grooming kit that can be used to trim and style your beard, body, face, nose, and ear hair. It comes with a variety of attachments, including a steel trimmer, a foil shaver, a detail metal trimmer, a nose and ear trimmer, an extra wide hair trimmer, and 15 trimming guards. The Multi-Groomer MG777049 is powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 6 hours of runtime on a single charge. It is also water resistant, so you can easily clean it under the faucet. Here are some of the key features of the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer MG777049. 25 pieces for all your trimming needs. Dual cut technology for maximum precision. Self-sharpening blades. Nose and ear trimmer. Extra wide hair trimmer. Body shaver. Cordless or corded. Use water-resistant premium storage case. The Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer MG777049 is a versatile and powerful grooming tool that can be used to create a variety of looks. It is a good choice for men who want to have everything they need to trim and style their hair and body hair at home. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer MG777049. Pros: versatile and can be used for a variety of grooming tasks. Powerful and durable. Water-resistant. Comes with a variety of attachments. Long battery life. Cons: can be expensive. Some attachments may be difficult to use. Some users have reported that the blades can become dull over time. Overall, the Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer MG777049 is a good choice for men who. Number 1. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 99440 is a versatile grooming tool that can be used to trim and style your beard, hair and body hair. It comes with 13 different attachments including beard trimmer, head body trimmer, head hair clipper, head precision trimmer, head detail trimmer, head mini foil shaver for beard, fading combs, 2 hair combs, ear and nose trimmer, head beard stencil organizer case. The trimmer features Braun's sharpest blade, which is designed to cut long and thick hair with ease. It also has a precision wheel with 40 length settings, so you can get the perfect trim every time. The trimmer is rechargeable and has a cordless runtime of up to 180 minutes. It is also 100% waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or bath. Overall, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 99440 is a well-designed and versatile grooming tool that can be used to trim and style your beard, hair and body hair. It is easy to use and produces great results. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 99440. Pros: versatile, can be used to trim and style beard, hair and body hair. Sharp blade, cuts long and thick hair with ease. Precision wheel, 40 length settings for precise trimming. Rechargeable, cordless runtime of up to 180 minutes. Waterproof, can be used in the shower or bath. Cons: expensive. Some users have reported that the trimmer can be noisy. Some users have reported that the trimmer can be difficult to clean. Overall, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 9